What is the difference between BATTMAN and the EATTEDIT commands in AutoCAD? Solution. In Block Attribute Manager, BATTMAN command, if edit any attribute value then the changes are applied in all the same name block definition. In Enhanced Attribute Editor, EATTEDIT command, if you edit any attribute value the changes are applied in that selected block definition only. See how it works. First we create some attributes in drawing. Now add a rectangle over these attributes. Create a block of these objects. Now make a copy of this block to see the difference. Run BATTMAN command. Select Attribute 2. Select Remove option. Apply and OK. You can see selected Attribute 2 is removed from all the blocks. Run again BATTMAN command. Select Attribute 1. Select Remove option. Apply and OK. You can see selected Attribute 1 is removed from all the blocks. Now run EATTEDIT command. Select first block. Select Attribute 1. Select its value. Right-click and select Delete option. Click OK. You can see selected Attribute 1 is removed from the selected block only. Select third block and double-click on it. Select Attribute 2 and its value. Right-click and select Delete option. Click OK. You can see selected Attribute 2 value is removed from the selected block only. Similarly you can see for Attribute 3. Here you can see selected Attribute 3 value is removed from the selected block only.